Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to revolutionize your indoor grilling experience, the Kismile Smokeless Indoor Electric Grill. We found this grill online and have included the link in the description below so you can easily check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Kismile Smokeless Indoor Electric Grill? This innovative cooking appliance features a nonstick plate designed for health-conscious grilling, allowing you to enjoy all your favorite grilled dishes without the added grease and smoke. Its sleek design and sturdy stainless steel lid make it both a functional and aesthetically pleasing addition to your kitchen. Let's talk about some of the standout features of the Kismile grill. First and foremost, it boasts a unique sloped grill plate that automatically drains excess grease into an oil-water separation tray. This innovative design significantly reduces smoke, making it ideal for indoor use. You can grill your favorite steaks, burgers, seafood, and vegetables without worrying about the lingering odors and mess that typically come with traditional grilling. Another feature worth mentioning is its high-efficiency smoke extraction system. With a powerful side-mounted smoke extraction fan, this grill captures up to 80% of cooking smoke. This means you can enjoy that authentic barbecue flavor without turning your kitchen into a smokehouse. If you live in an apartment or a place where outdoor grilling is not an option, this feature is a game-changer. The Kismile grill doesn't just excel in reducing smoke, it also makes cooking and cleaning a breeze. The nonstick grill plate ensures that your food won't stick, leading to effortless cooking. Plus, both the grill plate and the stainless steel lid are removable and dishwasher safe. This means you'll spend less time scrubbing and more time savoring your delicious meals. Now, let's talk about performance. This grill is powered by a robust 1450W heating system featuring 7 U-shaped heating tubes. This design allows for quick heating and even cooking, ensuring perfectly grilled food every time. Whether you're searing steaks or sautéing vegetables, you can expect consistent results thanks to the grill's efficient heating technology. Temperature control is another strong suit of the Kismile grill. With a simple rotary dial, you can easily adjust cooking temperatures from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This versatility allows you to tailor the heat according to the specific needs of your meal. And with its durable stainless steel housing and cool-touch handles, you'll get both style and safety in one package. So, who is this grill suitable for? If you're a busy professional who loves grilled food but doesn't have the time or outdoor space for traditional grilling, this is the perfect solution for you. It's also great for families looking to prepare healthy meals together, or anyone who enjoys hosting friends for dinner while keeping the cooking process simple and mess-free. In practical use cases, imagine hosting a cozy dinner party where everyone can enjoy perfectly grilled burgers or seafood right from the comfort of your kitchen. Or, think about those rainy days when outdoor grilling isn't an option. The Kismile grill allows you to satisfy your cravings without missing a beat. In conclusion, the Kismile Smokeless Indoor Electric Grill is a fantastic option for anyone looking to enjoy healthy, flavorful grilled meals without the hassle of traditional grilling. With its impressive features, ease of use, and sleek design, it's definitely worth considering for your kitchen. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.